So Quinn, we're here on the exhibit floor with Jen Beatley of Amazon Web Services, booth 2815. Jen, tell me about your booth and what's going on.
Absolutely, Lauren. After a very challenging year, we're thrilled to be back at GEOINT as a premier level sponsor, working with industry, government, and academia to collaborate on solutions to solve the GEOINT mission. We have a lot of exciting solutions AWS put together that we'd love to share.
Oh, I'd like to take a look at those exciting solutions.
Let's go.
Ah, this looks interesting. Tell me what we're seeing here, Jen.
Sure, Lauren. This is our AWS Outpost, which allows customers to extend cloud to their data center. And here to tell us more is Drew Morgan.
Thanks, Jen. Hi, Lauren.
Hi
Drew
there,
Morgan. AWS Outpost is our newest extension to bring the cloud to virtually any data center, co-location, or on-premise facility. It's ideal for workloads that have low latency application requirements, data residency, or any sort of access to local system interdependencies.
How does it scale?
Great question. Outpost scales from 1 to 96 racks and pools together logical storage and compute to enable a truly hybrid experience.
Nice, it sounds really remarkable.
It's very exciting, and coming soon it's going to be available in 1U and 2U form factors so that we can enable this experience for all of our customers at the edge.
Oh, that's great. Thanks so much for sharing,
Thank
Drew.
you.
Jen, you have more to show me?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Do it. So, Jen, what are we seeing here?
Sure, Lauren. This is our simplified data labeling solution leveraging AWS Ground Truth and SageMaker services. And here to tell us more is Kate Zimmerman.
Hey, Kate.
Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, so what we have here is a demo of a data labeling pipeline that we built for labeling satellite imagery. So this is actually imagery from Hurricane Ida. And after the event, we wanted to build machine learning models that would detect building damage so we could alert insurance companies to areas that have been most heavily affected by the storm so they could more efficiently route resources and get roofs over people's heads faster. But in order to build machine learning models, the first thing you need is labeled data. So we were able to build a pipeline that first filtered out all of the imagery that doesn't have any buildings of interest. So you can see all these rural areas in here where there's nothing. So the annotators didn't have to look at those sections of the image. Instead, they could focus in on these blue squares that we see here. So those are the only tiles that they actually had to manually review and annotate. And we can actually see in here the red labels. These are the buildings that were then manually annotated by Mechanical Turk. So in a few hours, we were able to get back a labeled data set, go off and train machine learning models, and then scale this out to the rest of the city and surrounding areas to detect damaged buildings.
Wow, how much faster does this allow you to annotate data?
So we've seen about a 70% time savings from using this pipeline versus annotating the entire image.
Amazing, fantastic real-world application. Thanks for sharing, Kate.
Thank you.
What are we looking at next, Jen?
Sure, we're going to head over to our GEOINT Tactical Edge demo.
Let's take a look. Jen, tell me what we're seeing here.
Sure, Lauren. So this is a solution showcasing our Tactical Edge product line. This is the Snowball Edge ruggedized device and the snow cone. And here to tell us more is Wes Hirsch.
Hey there, Wes.
Hey, yeah, so the imagery you're seeing here is being served up from our edge devices. This is, of course, we're zoomed in on St. Louis, where we are here now. But also I think it gives us a chance to talk about other investments that we're making in St. Louis. So I'm locally based here and part of a growing cadre of employees that we have here for AWS. But we're also making other investments in the community. A good example of that is the T-Rex. It's an innovation center and accelerator for startups in the region, in St. Louis and the surrounding areas. And we support them in helping build the tradecraft and technical skills that we'll need, and also developing the pipeline for the region that we'll need for that geospatial future and for today.
Ah, it sounds like AWS really is investing in the future of geospatial here in St. Louis.
Absolutely. We are definitely here as a mission partner and happy to support and drive that mission.
Great stuff. Thanks, Wes. Jen, so much great stuff happening here at Amazon Web Services. Thanks for showing us around.
Thank you, and we are thrilled to be here at GEOINT.
Come take a look for yourself at booth 2815.